Hi guys, I just received my Boxycharm for November 2020. I have taken the items out of the box. I'm going to show you the card that comes in there. It says here Boxycharm Harvest. And yeah, it lists the products that I receive. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. Now I'm going to show you the products that I received. The first product is Jouer, and it says Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enchanter, and it says infused with good for you clean ingredients. Lip Enchanter offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from the environment's damaging elements while providing long-lasting hydration. And this product is worth $17. I'm not going to try it on because it is in clear, so you won't see a color on there. So yeah, like I said, this product is $17. And this is for the lips. The next product is by Natasha, Denona. I hope I'm saying her name right, but yeah. And this is a peak palette, and it comes in 5 different colors, and it says everyday warm tone eye pigment. She mixed and matched from her favorite palette. And like I said, these are eyeshadows. And it's from both creamy matte and metallic formula. Okay. And it says you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And I'm going to show you this. I have fingerprints in there on some of the eyeshadow because I had tried them out. But yeah, I'm not going to try them out here because you can see what they look like. Really nice. This metallic one is really pretty. But yeah. And these are eyeshadows. And this eyeshadow palette is $48. Then the next thing that I have here is called Earth Harbor Naturals, and it says it's an anti-pollution youth. It says here youth, and it is Ambrosian rhyming, and it says here, I'm just going through it. I'm not going through all of this, and it's supposed to restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkle. And yeah, red allergens, plant stem cells, and this is for the skin. And this is $48. So yeah, I'm just gonna change it because I wanted to stick it over here. Then the next thing that I received, I had to do this video over again because I thought it was only one pencil, but it was 2. And these are called Bodyography, and It says here that it's a pencil, it's an eye pencil dual. And these super smooth coconut oil infused pencil glide on without dragging. Excuse me. These pencils are rigorous enough to provide a crispy, clean line, yet can easily be smudging during applicating for a smoky effect. So, one of these pencils says sorry about that. It's an eye pencil. These both are eye pencils, like I said, but one is black walnut. The one is just a black color. And yeah. And I'm just going to show you how one of them looks on the inside. And this is the black walnut. Sorry for that. The camera shaked and I had put it on. And this is what it looks like. And again, these are the two pencils, eye pencils. And the price of these is $16. The next item that I received, and the last item that I received, it says INT Cosmetics lip oil. And this is some oil for the lips. And it says it's hydration and moisture, but only a flush of color. And it's a lip oil, can easily be applied on the go or on top of lipstick for additional sheen. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is $16. And like I said, this is a monthly subscription that I receive each month. And I will list the monthly price that I pay for this in the description box. So I just want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I would really appreciate it. And again, I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.